Welcome back, third grade. It's time to check Module 2, Lesson 5, Problem Set. Number 1. Cole read his book for 25 minutes yesterday and for 28 minutes today. How many minutes did Cole read altogether? Model the problem on the number line and write the equation to solve. Okay, so I'm going to bracket 25 minutes. I'm going to start at the 0. And make a little bracket to the 25. Right there is 25 minutes. I'll write it right here. Okay, and now 28 minutes. So I can do this. I can count. This first line would be 5. This next one 10. The 40, 15. The next one it would be 20. And then 50 would be 25. And then 28, that's kind of going to be right about here, right? So now I'm going to make another bracket. Right, and there's 28 minutes. Minutes, sorry. Now I'm going to write 25 plus 28. Now, 5 plus 8 is 13, and 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 2 more is 5. So that's 53 minutes. Cole read for 53 minutes. Number 2. Tessa spends 34 minutes washing her dog. It takes her 12 minutes to shampoo and rinse the rest of the time to get the dog in the bathtub. How many minutes does Tessa spend getting her dog in the bathtub? Draw a line to model the problem and then write an equation to solve. Okay, so I'm going to draw this line. I'm going to write 0. Then I'm going to do 10, 20, 30. And actually, I think I'm going to make a line a little bit longer. Because I don't know. 30. Oh, I already wrote 30. 40. And 50. And then all these lines between are going to be 5-minute increments. All right. So she spends 34 minutes washing her dog, right? So I'm going to go to 30, and 34 is right before 35, right? So I'm going to go to right before 35. So here's her 34 minutes washing the dog, right? And it takes her 12 minutes to shampoo and rinse the rest of the time in the bathtub. Okay, so 12 more minutes. Right, so here's 12 would be about here, right? So that takes her about 12 minutes to do that. So we need to know how much time is between here and here, right? So we would have to subtract, right? We would have to say 34 minus 12. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So Tessa spends 22 minutes getting the dog in the tub. Number 3. Tessa walks her dog for 47 minutes. Jeremiah walks his dog for 30 minutes. How many more minutes does Tessa walk her dog than Jeremiah? All right, let's make another number line. So we know 47 is like the max. So if we make a number line that goes to 50, we'll have plenty on there, right? So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? And then between these will be 5-minute increments. So we'll go to 47. So 47 is going to be after 45, but before 50. So probably, let's just roughly guess right here. So we'll just make our little bracket from the 0. to the 47, right? That 47 minutes, we're going to put Tessa. 47 minutes. Now, Jeremiah does 30 minutes, right? So we're going to just go here. I like to go under sometimes just so it's a little clearer. There's Jeremiah, right? Jeremiah. And he's 30 minutes. So now we need to know what's this to this. That's our unknown. So we could do 47 minus 30. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. So Tessa walks her dog for 17 more minutes than Jeremiah. All right, now let's look at the back side. 4A. It takes Austin 4 minutes to take out the garbage, 12 minutes to wash the dishes, and 13 minutes to mop the kitchen floor. How long does it take Austin to do his chores? You know what? I think I'm going to make a tape diagram because I think that would be the easiest for me. So 4 minutes is a time, 12 minutes, and 13. So if I make my tape diagram, I know that 4 is like a small chunk of time, right? So I'm going to just do a smaller piece, 4 minutes. 12 is a bigger, but not quite as big as 13. 12 minutes. And I have 13 minutes. So now I need to take all that time and add it together, right? So I can do 4 plus 12 plus 13. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 3 more is 9, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so it takes them, Austin, 29 minutes. So it takes Austin 29 minutes to do his chores. B. Austin's bus arrives at 7:55 a.m. If he starts his chores at 7:30 a.m., will he be done in time to meet his bus? Explain your reasoning. All right, let's see. Let's do our line, our number line. So this will be 7 a.m., right? And this would be our 0. 7. And I'm just going to make a line in the middle. That would be our 7:30, right? And then here is our 8. We could just make lines. 8, 10, 8:20, 8:30, 8:40, 8:50. All right, so if he starts his chores at 7:30, and it takes him 29 minutes. 29 minutes is 1 minute less than a half an hour. So that means he's finishing his chores. He's finishing his chores 1 minute before 8. So at 7:59. So will he reach his bus at 7:55 if he finishes his chores at 7:59? No, he won't. He will miss his bus. No, Austin will be late. It takes 4 minutes more than he has time for because his bus leaves at 7:55, and if we count up to 7:59, that's 4 minutes. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. That's 4 more minutes. All right, 5. Gilberto's cat sleeps in the sun for 23 minutes. It wakes up at the time shown on the clock below. What time did the cat go to sleep? Ooh, okay, so first we need to look at this clock, right? This clock, what time does it show? It shows 11:36, right? That shows 11:36. So let's draw a little a number line. So this could be a 0 or 11. Here is 12 or 60. And here's our 30, right? And then I can do 11:10, 11:20, 11:30 is already there, 11:40, 11:50. Okay, so 11:36 is when he wakes up. So here's 11:35 right there. So we're going to go right after it. That's when it gets up, right here. Yep. So we need to do 23 minutes before then. So we could do 11:36 minus 23. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So it went to sleep at 11:13. So let's find that on the line. So this would be 11. This would be 11:10. And here's 11:20. So 11:13 is going to be right in between here. So right here. So the cat went to sleep at 11:13. So we could say sleep, wake up. All right, press pause, do your exit ticket, and then press play and check. Michael spends 19 minutes on his math homework and 17 minutes on his science homework. How many minutes does Michael spend doing his homework? Model the problem on the number line and write the equation below. Okay, so 19 minutes. 19 minutes is 1 minute before 20. So we're going to draw a dot here, right? And then we can bracket. And then this would be his math. And I'm going to put HW for homework. And 17 minutes, right? 17. So if we go 1 minute before 30, that would be 10. Now, if we go 1 minute before 40, that would be 20. But that's too far. We're only doing 17, right? So we don't want 1 minute. We have to kind of back it up. So we're going to be right around here. And so we're going to do science. And now we can do 19 plus 17. 9 plus 7 is 16. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 36. And did our number line show about 36 minutes? Yeah, we're right 1 minute after the 35. So Michael spends 36 minutes on his homework. Don't forget to complete your 2 math homework pages and submit them in CC.